Are you tired of trying to lose weight and feeling like you're aging faster than you should? You're not alone, and we've found the reason why. Welcome to our channel, where we share revolutionary health solutions. Today, we're unveiling the secret behind unexplained weight gain and accelerated aging. European researchers, studying the world's slimmest and longest-lived people, have discovered a common factor: DHEA levels. DHEA, your fountain of youth hormone, controls your metabolic rate, weight, and aging speed. When DHEA levels optimal, you experience rapid cell regeneration and efficient calorie burning. But when they're low, your metabolism and cell regeneration slow down, leading to weight gain and faster aging. METACELL, the world's first solution formulated from nutrients key to the world's healthiest diet, designed to boost your key fat-burning and anti-aging hormone, DHEA. METACELL targets and restores healthy DHEA levels, unleashing rapid cell regeneration and supercharged calorie burning. Each METACELL capsule contains 10 clinically proven nutrients that optimize depleted DHEA levels for unparalleled weight loss and anti-aging support. These include milk thistle, Panax ginseng, Camellia sinensis, alpha-lipoic acid, berberine root, resveratrol root, banaba leaf, and cayenne fruit. These ingredients not only increase DHEA levels but also offer numerous health benefits, from detoxifying EDCs, supporting brain health, to boosting energy and improving skin tone. Is proudly made in the USA in an FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility. It's non-GMO and free from soy, gluten, dairy, artificial colors, fillers, or other junk. Unlock the secret to weight loss and anti-aging with METACELL. Restore your DHEA levels, rejuvenate your body, and reclaim your life. Get METACELL by clicking the link in the description below.